If you like keeping track of your writing progress over time, you can easily do that in Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you go into Project and Writing History, you'll get a complete list of what you've been working on, including how many days you've written, average words or characters per day. Then you get a breakdown by days or months, and maximum options. You can export this data into a CSV file, which you should be able to view in your favourite spreadsheet program. If you're trying to do this in Excel, you need to have all files selected. However, there is an issue with this, certainly if you're in the UK. For some reason, every other line on the spreadsheet is in the US date format. I can't find a way to get around that, not being an expert in Microsoft Excel. I did try. So do bear that in mind. If you're more interested in creating writing targets, check out this video here.